Guys, we gotta speak about asset pricing. And today in this episode, I will show you a very special trick. And that's no clickbait. I will show you how to get Bitcoin for 80% off. And it's a proven method. It has worked many times, and you can do it today again. But be fast, the time is running, and it could happen that this opportunity is gone soon. So stick with me and watch this video to the very end to see all the details of this trick. To show you this, I will go with you to TradingView again, and I will show you this is the way how most people trade, for instance, ETH. So Ethereum, the crypto, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum is traded this way. People look it against the dollar, but this is absolutely wrong. This is totally wrong. This is not how you're supposed to do it because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for us in a new Bitcoinized world. The only thing that matters is what Ethereum does against Bitcoin. And for this, let's open the other chart here. And you see here, Ethereum has basically been underperforming Bitcoin all the way since end of 2021. And since then, it has made lower highs, and lower lows. And you see, we are coming to this zone where it's accumulating. It could be that this is the pivotal point. I don't know that right now. It's not proven yet, but it looks very strong. And as you see here, I have these two blue lines, which is my purchase zone that I have been having here. I have put that in here in this chart for a very long time already. So I have been waiting for this moment. You see here, this is a very, very strong buying zone because a lot of support is going in here. I doubt that Ether will go all the way down where it was here in 2019. So at one point it will return. And it could be that now you can make a big gain in the Bitcoin valuation. But what I'm actually doing here and why I am doing this video today is because a friend after my Cardano video, and if you haven't seen my Cardano video, I will post it up here. So you can also watch the price prediction for Cardano for ADA, the cryptocurrency that is a big competitor for Ethereum. And a friend of mine told me, Alex, why do you look at that? It makes no sense that you see ADA, Cardano pumping, while in reality, it's just going down against Bitcoin. So you could just hold Bitcoin. And I mean, he has a point. Look at this. Look at this chart. So if you look at the tops here, Cardano actually never reached the high of 2018 against Bitcoin ever again. So you could go here. And I have a weekly chart here because the weekly chart is for the long-term view. I'm not a trader who trades every day, right? So I'm more looking at the long-term perspective. And I could put a line here, a trend line, and also connect it with this one here. Let's take the real peaks, okay? Or should we take take the peaks, because that makes it a bit going even more down. Otherwise, it would be flatter. But this way it's even worse for ADA. So we know if ADA spikes this bull market against Bitcoin, it most likely, if we have the thesis that ADA is worthless and Bitcoin is much better and ADA will never catch up and gain momentum and gain ground against Bitcoin, we could build the thesis that this is the maximum here. Other people that are very Cardano fans that say, hey, Cardano will be the next Ethereum. It will really be a strong player and it will win ground against Bitcoin. Obviously, it could also go up somewhere here, right? It could go up further than it was 2018. However, and I think that's important to say, there is a very stupidly simple trade. If you believe. And this is what I tell you. It's my channel is entertainment, right? That's not financial advice. You gotta do your own stuff how you want. But there is one thing you can do today. And if you believe, or if you have the same opinion as I have, that Cardano will definitely test this high. It will test whether it can gain momentum against Bitcoin here. Then we have a very strong story to believe that it will go up here, right? And it will outperform Bitcoin somewhen during this bull market. So what can I do if I believe that it doesn't go much further down and we have a very, very strong bottom here? You see the bottom here, you see the bottom here. It seems that the bottom is in. Then I could go here and could say, hey, I buy Cardano at 663. This is the actual price right now. In the moment I record this video, you could buy here. Now it's 666, but and we believe that somewhere, let's say in let's say it's happening early next year, or let's say end of, it doesn't matter. The further we go in the future, the lower it will be. So let's say we do it in spring. You see here, we can do it all the way down here. It doesn't matter. But if we touch this line, we can make 470% against Bitcoin. And that means that you can multiply your Bitcoin value, and that's the only thing that counts, by 5.7x. And if you can do it 5x, so for Bitcoin, buying Bitcoin on 80% discount, as this video is indicating, it would be enough for Cardano to go all the way to go here, right? We don't even need to touch this line, and you still gain your Bitcoin momentum here. You gain your 80% on top. So if you like this content, make sure you hit the like button. It's very easy. It's time to pivot. It's time to look into altcoins like this and increase our Bitcoin value, because fiat is anyways fugazi. So increase your Bitcoin value by choosing smartly which horse is the fastest and which can give you a good advantage. If you want to see more of my content, make sure you don't forget to check out this video here or this video here. And I wish you all the best. Your Alex.